Hey, welcome back, DIYers. Today we're back. We got some accessories to put on the Jeep here. I got a 2003 Jeep TJ Rubicon, and got something a little different for you. Let's go check it out. I picked up a shade for the top of this from Shade Idea. They have a bunch of different options out there. This is something I bought myself. I wanted to try it out because the one we had before went all the way across the back and curled down here. The one issue I had with it was with the hard top on and stuff like that, you were looking through it with in the rearview mirror. So I wanted something, so I got it just to go from the front to the bar here. So I think that is going to work out pretty nice, and it's green. So, and this is what I thought was really pretty cool. This thing comes with a bag for it, so if you want to throw this in the back, maybe you want to take it on and off once in a while. It comes in a little nice little case here for you to be able to put it in. It also comes with all of the tie downs and stuff to secure it, and of course it's in this beautiful green color. It's just going to go across the middle. So very simple, very easy to put on. I'm going to get started and I'll show you what happens. There we go. She's all installed and ready to go. I tell you what, this is a pretty sweet little setup. Plus, I got you a little bag here to go on the handle up front. So just in case you need a little something extra. All right, that's gonna do it, man. We got everything all tied up. We're ready to go out, not get all that sun beating on my forehead, and nice little accent go along with all the other accents that are on here, all the other green ones that are on here, like we have on the front and down below that we've already changed out. So hope this helps you out. Go take a look at Shade Idea. Got it on Amazon. The link's down below. Hopefully you guys help you guys out. See you guys next time. Take care.